We were going to do the penguin tour, but that sold out.
Oh yeah, you got to be early for school
Yeah.
holidays with them. Jeez, it's insane how many people go past it.
Yeah, pretty mad.
I've lived here for 15 years, I've never gone to them.
Oh, we're the same where we are. There's lots of stuff we haven't been to.
You never do anything once in your own backyard, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Feral Cat was imported from South Africa in 2016 and is a 5.3 metre inflatable Thundercat hull. This vessel was fitted with a 90 horsepower Evinrude outboard motor. These vessels are predominantly used for surf racing. Thundercat racing can only be described as the world's wildest water sport. The smaller versions of this boat are usually fitted with a 50 horsepower outboard. On average, these vessels can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometres per hour, and when cornering can hit 3 Gs of force, similar to that of a Formula 1 vehicle. Due to the design of the hull, inflatable Thundercats are relatively stable vessels and can handle themselves in surf. They are often used as surf rescue vessels. Please hang on as we increase our speed.
Yeah, that's so good.
This big sand dune here, we call it Spew Hill.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a local tradition for all the junior football clubs to come down here for pre-season footy training.
Oh, okay.
Make them run up and down until they spew. It's not much joy.
Yeah, no thanks.
So the kids have a great time coming
Yeah,
down.
it would be good.
Yeah, a lot like having a ball on it.
Oh, the long weekend was just kids everywhere.
Man.
A couple of years ago, on the long weekend, they brought down a big roll of black plastic and they set up a generator with a water pump.
Oh, yeah.
They made a big slip and slide down there.
Oh, how
that'd be
that
pretty
would...
cool.
For about 3 days, and the kid broke his arm, and
Oh,
council
no.
shut it down. It was pretty cool while they were doing it.
Yeah, would
Yeah.
we? Yeah, definitely. Cool.
Keep moving, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Welcome to Cape Woolamai Granite Quarry. The granite quarry, located here at Bergens Beach, was opened in 1891 and ran for approximately 2 years. The quarry employed a large number of people who camped on site with a number of buildings constructed. Nature and time have worn away most of the evidence of the working quarry. Cape Woolamai granite is known for its reddish pink colour, and granite from Cape Woolamai can be found in Parliament House and the Shrine of Remembrance. In 1892, the Ketch Commandie, a vessel transporting granite to Melbourne, was sunk carrying 47 tonne of granite in the hold and on deck. After a night at Rhyl waiting out bad weather, the captain, against advice, decided to proceed to Melbourne. It is believed that the granite was not secured correctly and the rough weather caused the cargo to move, ultimately sinking the ship. The quarry was closed shortly after.
Yeah, you see them two steel beams in the water there, that's all that's left of the jetty that used to run out of here.
Oh, okay.
The whole way along Cape Woolamai there was train tracks to transport the rock back closer to mainland.
All right.
That's why you see piles of rocks that are all cut on right angles. Once they packed up and left, they just dumped it all and left it all behind, really.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
Wow.
It's a good spot in summer afternoons to come beach the Thundercat up on that little bit of sand up there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Now we're going to see where they got it all from. So she might be a little bit lumpy bumpy around this corner, folks.
Yep, no worries.
It's snowing, eh?
Yep.
done a fair old bit of work on it, digging it out.
That's beautiful around here. I
Yeah.
don't know if you guys are in your days, but it's a terrific walk to go right around the top of the cape.
Right.
See a list from above.
Cool.
That's beautiful.
This is where they filmed parts of the second Jurassic Park.
Right.
Okay.
Nah, it's not really nice like that.
Too funny.
Feeding the tourists bullshit.
I usually say that on Pirates of the Caribbean or something. Whatever I feel like for the day, to be honest.
It's so funny.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It is
That
really
rock
nice,
yeah.
stuff.
The worst places in the world, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It's actually not too bad out here, really.
Yeah.
Just well kicking it out.
Reasonable.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Wow. Okay, press the colours. Okay. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
People go in down really nice days with their stand-up paddleboards and kayaks and things like that.
Oh,
Okay.
that would be beautiful.
Not like fancy too much with the blow-up boat.
Yeah.
Feel like a little insurance car too, trying to get over the top side.
Yep. Yep.
Should be a quick trip in.
It would. Definitely.
Oh, it could be rough as guts out here. And people go, oh, we're going inside. It's like, yeah, you know, we're
Yeah,
going
nah.
once.
Nah. Definitely not. Yep.
After they had finished like getting into smaller pieces because they had no other way of cutting it 30 years ago. What they used to have to do was drill holes the whole way along this bit of rock by hand.
Yep.
Then they'd hammer a bit of wood into each single hole and then set it back down in the water.
Yep.
And as the wood would soak in the water, the wood used to expand.
Right.
And that's how they used to put a crack in the rock.
Oh, right.
That's the only way they could do it.
Okay.
Would have been seriously hard work. So,
God, yeah.
I think I've seen talking about it if I'm honest with you. Another good one in the sea there, black and white birds up on the rock there.
Yeah.
I like telling tourists that Cape Woolwine penguins. They just birds a few people up.
Oh, right, yeah.
Still one of them flies away and always been joking anyway. Saw you heard the expression shag on a rock?
Yeah.
Shag on a rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've got plenty of them at home.
Are they the same colours?
Yeah.
Like black and white?
Yeah.
Oh, ours are,
Ours are, we have the dark black ones,
ours
grey
are,
black
yeah,
ones as
mainly
well.
all black.
Oh yeah, we have them too, they're bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at them all.
Yeah.
That's-
Yeah, I've seen them.
They're
Yeah.
actually Pacific gulls, they're
Right.
mine. All their, all
Oh,
their
yeah.
brown ones, they're
Mutton
chicks.
birds.
They're babies up there.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's what we're trying to do. You see that lookout straight ahead up on top of the cliff there?
Ah, yep,
That's
yep.
all part of that Cape Woolwine walk. You see all this from the top?
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Really
yeah.
nice. Really the only way you can see this either by boat or that one walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really popular in the whale seas. On the other end you stand at the lighthouse, you just
Yep.
see the line.
Oh,
Cool.
okay.
I've actually saw a whale out this one day. I quietly shit the bed. About 100 metres away and fully jumped down in the water.
Yeah.
They were close enough for me. I
Yeah,
had a family of 4 on board and they go, oh, can we get a bit closer? I looked at the boat,
Nah.
looked at them and I was like, there's no bloody way I'm getting close to that thing.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even feel this if it decided to jump out.
Nah, that's
Yeah.
right.
yeah, we had one go by us last season when we were out, and it jumped probably 100 metres. Big bastard.
Yep.
But yeah, you could feel the spray off it. It was that close.
Oh mate, they're fried, I can tell you.
Yeah. Yeah, we have like the Whale Highway outside where we are.
Yep.
And they come in pretty close.
That's what happens here in like June, July, August. They hit the side of the coast wherever they hit.
Yeah.
A lot of them hit here and then head up east.
Yeah, that'll be the same ones there.
Yeah.
And they're impressive to go and watch. We go out and take friends out to look.
Oh, they're beautiful creatures.
Yeah.
You don't want to get too close.
Nah. You don't get the orcas down this way?
Yeah, we do.
Right.
Yeah, they follow them up the whole way, I think. They eat the humpback calves and the southern right calves.
Right.
Nasty buggers. That would be my biggest fear out here, seeing a killer whale. And we've got seal rocks at the other end of the island. There's 25,000 fur seals on there. So
Oh, okay.
we certainly get them through here.
Yeah, same as the whites. Yeah.
Yeah, we got a few whites.
Yeah, we went and did the Bremer Bay Canyon thing. That was pretty cool, watching the
What's
killer
that, sorry?
whale. We did the Bremer Bay Canyon killer whale tour.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was impressive.
They're cool animals, but I'd want to be in something big to be here.
Oh, it was big. Thank God.
Apparently they don't attack. Oh, they attack yachts every now and then, don't they?
Yeah, they've been doing a lot over in Spain and Portugal at the minute, apparently. There's been 5 or 6 over the last couple of years. Oh. It's a little bird shit.
Welcome to Bird Rock. As you can see, there are large scenic outcrops of granite at this site. The highest point of Cape Woolamai is 112 metres above sea level, and this is one of the largest group of granite mountains in Victoria. This particular site is beautiful for scuba diving and snorkeling. Around Bird Rock you can find swaying sea tulips and stunning yellow zoanthids. There is a resident smooth ray, and the topography underwater is just as spectacular as above.
Come around here the other day and the surf lifesavers doing training. They were jumping off the top of the rock there and practicing saving each other with their little rubber duckies.
Oh, okay.
It's good to watch, actually.
Yeah.
They stand here for about 5 minutes watching it.
But
Did you guys want a photo with the cape in the background?
Oh, yeah? Yep.
I'll jump up and do it. Ruined a good photo.
yeah.
Boats.
Thank you very much.
much.
Thanks,
Easy
Brendan.
done.
Cheers, mate.
Come over around the corner and see how rough it is out there. That's what I mean with the south, Wesley. You're so protected in here. It's
Yeah,
beautiful.
yeah, it's
As soon
nice
as you
here.
stick your nose around this corner, though, you know about it.
Get a shit out. Yeah, you can see the swell from here.
Pretty rough.
Yeah.
And that's far enough for me.
That's
to be
far
honest.
enough for me, yep. No thanks.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Mate's too small, need a bigger boat.
What's that?
Need a bigger boat.
That's what these built for. You wouldn't want to hit them too fast. You turn into an airplane pretty quick.
You would,
Yeah.
yep. Or you'd be flipping it.
Get some good
What's
air.
that?
Or you'd be flipping it.
Yep. No, thank you. You don't want to miss.
Nah. for a piss now.
What's that?
Busted for a piss.